Alright everybody, so to calibrate our logical controller 2 scale system, what we first want to do is strike the tare button for number 1. We want to hit the utilities button number 3. Number 1 to calibrate. We will add our weight at this point to the scale system, whether that be a weigh hopper or a table scale. The weight we use here at Logical Machines is 2 pounds, 0.975. Once we've entered that number in, we want to strike the enter key, and we want to verify on the scale that we have reached our weight. Now you can tell that when I touch the machine it's picking up vibration, so that number is changing. We want to verify the calibration by removing the weight from the weigh hopper or the table scale to make sure that the scale returns to 0. You can see that we have about 2 to 3 thousandths registering on the weigh hopper. So what we want to do is, again, tare, number 3 for utilities, number 1 to calibrate, add the weight to the scale system, re-enter our number, strike enter, verify that the number has actually taken. We're going to remove the weight to verify that we can get down to that 0 number.